What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Acura MDX remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2022 to 2025 Acura MDX, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the front of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now what I'm going to do is hold my key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of it, you can see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is stick my key in that notch, make sure it's all the way in, and then just pry up like that, and as I do that you can see it pops this back cover up. Once we get that back cover off, we see our battery right here. There's a little space right here where you can get your key underneath the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first down here like that, and then snap it down into place. Then I'll grab my back cover, and if you notice there's two little tabs on the top of the cover, I'm going to slide those two tabs in first like that, and then snap it down into place, slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.